Now, 27 storm track weather with meteorologist Blaze Keller.
And there's a look live towards the Capitol in downtown Madison. 32 degrees, feels like 22 degrees. The pavement is wet where it's been treated. It is slick where it hasn't been treated yet. It is also slick. So please take it slow on the roads, especially the farther west you have to travel today. This is our system that's going to be bringing us the snow, and on the backside of it, much cooler air, possibly the coolest air of this winter season so far. A lot of this moisture is still moving in from the south, so we're kind of just getting into the heart of maybe when more of that heavier snow is going to fall. And that heavier snow, of course, marked by those darker whites and those kind of blues right there, especially off towards Dodgeville, Riceland Center, Cuba City. Again, farther west, we're underneath the thick of that heavier snow right now. We are all underneath a winter weather advisory that goes until noon on Friday. So this is a longer lived system. We've got the snow right now, then we'll add the winds and some lingering flurries, and then we'll add the cold as we go into your Friday. So we're kind of getting a 1-2 punch with this system, whether we wanted to or not. For the most part, the farther east you live or have to travel, the roads are okay. It's farther west that we start to see these yellows and these oranges. That's where the roads are getting more slick, possibly even covered with snow. So again, please just take it slow out there. Temperatures, actually, they're right around freezing. And notice that these winds are still out of the south. So moisture's moving on in. It's when those winds turn out of the north and west, which is going to happen later tonight, that we start to really usher in that cold air. And of course, where that snow is being whipped around by those winds, the visibilities are falling out of really Dane County and westward. That's where they're about a half a mile or less. So let's walk through future track here. This is about 11. Notice again, most of that snow is making its way eastward. Darker blues once again indicating that heavier snow. Notice that off to our west, right around kind of the mid-afternoon, we start to see that heavier snow ease up. Then we're going to be dealing with light snow through the dinner time frame, flurries farther towards, say, Minnesota, Iowa, and then those winds turn out of the northwest. They continue to whip us around. Watch as our temperatures drop overnight, hanging out in those single digits as we kick off your Friday. Please don't put away the thick winter coat. We are going to need it over the next couple of days. You'll see that in the 7-day forecast. 3 to 6 inches of snow for those of us in the light blue, and then 4 to 7 for those of us in the dark blue. Heavier kind of pockets here and there are, of course, going to be expected because of these strong winds. And it is wet and heavy snow, so make sure you are bending and lifting with your legs, not your back. Try to clear as quickly as possible because, Caroline, folks at home, look at those temperatures as we go into the weekend. Frigid, I think, is the best kind of summary of the weekend into next week. Single digits. It's going to feel much colder. It is winter.
I love how you just have frigid over all of it.
That summarizes it better than I could.
Exactly.